Welcome to Wireman's Whimsy. Thank you for watching today. We are going to unbox the Bouquet of Hope February 2021 paper pumpkin package. I am so excited for this package. Really looking forward to using it. So we will take out the tissue. And these are the projects that we are going to be able to build with this kit. And we've got our instruction sheet, and this kit includes a photopolymer stamp set. I don't know if you can see it against the background there. The sayings are: sharing in your sorrow, thinking of you, and wishing I could be there to hold your hand. This one says, sorry for your loss, and this is, I'll always be here for you. So as well, there's some little flowers and some raindrops and a nice bouquet. Also in the kit is the Mossy Meadow Classic Stamp Spot. We've got some printed card bases, printed envelopes. So here's the envelopes. And these have got, we got one the other way. Oh, we've got some with the bumblebee, some with Mossy Meadow, and then some with the Rococo Rose. So those are pretty just on their own. Then we have got dimensionals and some, looks like little buttons that are sequins. They're adhesive sequins. And we've got some Mossy Meadow linen thread. And we've got these lovely, lovely gold die cuts. There's those. And we've got 3 sticker sheets. Basically thinking of you, but we have it in French and German as well, and you would just peel all of the backing off and then lift the words off. And here is card bases. So this is in Just Jade, nice stripe. And then we've got the Rococo Rose with this lovely vellum overlay for it. And then we've got the Mary Merlot card bases with the roses on, with the cardstock die cuts on them. And then the little punch out labels that we can stamp on. And of course, the adhesive spots. So that is what is in the Paper Pumpkin for February's Bouquet of Hope set. So stay tuned and we will make some of the examples. We'll do these 3 in 3 different videos, and then I'll do some outside the box videos as well. So thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned as we make this card next.